Hi guys, let me show you the most popular math tricks that will blow your mind. All the timestamps are down below, and before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for weekly videos. And also, if you want to know more about how I can help you in your child's math education, then the links are in the description below. And let's dive right in. Which one is bigger, 3/5 or 4/7? We multiply 7 by 3. 7 times 3 is 21 and 5 times 4 is 20. 21 is greater than 20, so 3/5 is greater than 4/7. Now next, 5/12 is greater or 7/15 is greater. Now we have this 5 times 15, 5 times 10 is 50 and half of that is 25. So 50 and 25 is 75. 5 times 15 is 75 and 7 times 12 is 7 times 10 is 70 and 7 times 2 is 14. 70 and 14 is 84 if you don't know 12 times table. And 84 is greater than 75. So this 7/15 is greater than 5/12. And we have here 4/9. Okay, this is fine. So 16 times 4. Whenever you want to multiply any number by 4, just double it twice. Double of 16 is 32 and double of 32 is 64. So 64 and 9 times 9 we know that it's 81. So 81 is greater than 64. It means 9/16 is greater than 4/9. Now here 35 times 11. Let's do that first. We have 3 and we have 5 and we write 3 and 5 as it is, and 3 plus 5 is 8. We write that 8 in the middle of 3 and 5 and that's our answer. 3 times 11 is 385. Now let's try same 35 times, instead of 11 we tried 111. So here we do the exact same thing. We write 3 and 5, but instead of one place we have two places here. Just remember it's 2 ones, right? Number of ones is 2 here. So one less space we have here. And here number of ones is 3. So we have one less space, that is 2 spaces. And we do the exact same thing. 3 plus 5 is 8. So we write that 8 2 times here. Let me change the color also. 8 and 8, right? So 35 times 111 is 3885. And you know the drill now. If I do 35 times 1111, it will be 3 and then we have 1, 2, 3 spaces and then we write 5. And in these 3 spaces, we write exactly same thing. That is the sum of 3 and 5, 8, 8 and 8. And you got the idea. Now, what if the sum of 2 digits here is not single digit like 8? It's double digit. What we do then? So 4 plus 7 is 11. We have only one place between 4 and 7 here, but the sum of 4 and 7 is 2 digit number. But it doesn't matter. We write 4 plus 7 is 11. We write 11 like this. You know, in addition, always we do that. We write single digit here and the other digit carries over to the left. So the answer to this question will be 517. We combine this 1 and this 4 and it becomes 517. Exactly same thing we'll do. Let's say I have to multiply 47 by 111. What do we do now? So we have 4 and we have 2 spaces instead of 1 space, and then we have 7. And the sum, that is 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 will write here like this and then here like this. And this will become 5217. And there is a pattern here that can make it still shorter, the trick. Let's show you that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones, let's say. Now we know that we have 4 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces and then 7. But when we write all ones here, 11s, 11 here, then 11 here, then 11 here, then 11 here, and then 11 here, 11 here, then 11 here. Now notice here, we have 1, 7, and all these will become 2. So by rule, we can just add 1 to this number, this digit, it will become 5. And other than the last space, there we write just the single digit and all the other digits will be 1 more than that. That's it. So if we have, let's say, just for the sake of completing this method, let's say we have 90, let's take 78, right? Times, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones and we write 8 here. We know that we have 5 ones. So we have 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are very small spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of writing 1 here, instead of writing 7 here, I will write 8, 1 more. And I know 7 plus 8 is 15. So I write 5 here and all the remaining spaces I will write 1 more. That's it. So that is our answer. Let's check it on the calculator. 78 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8,666,58. That's the correct answer. This formula, all from 9 and the last from 10, is a very powerful formula, and we use this formula in many math concepts and questions. Now, this is one of them. We can subtract any number from a base number using this formula without doing actual subtraction. So let me show you how this works. All from 9 and the last from 10 means 1000 minus 564. We know we can see it's 3 digits. So all of the digits from left we subtract from 9. 5 from 9, then 6 from 9, but the last digit, that is 4 from 10. So 5 from 9 is 4, then 6 from 9 is 3 and 4 from 10 is 6. So our answer to 1000 minus 564 is equal to 436. Here 3 from 9 is 6, 0 from 9 is 9, and this last 7 from 10 is 3, and that's our answer. See how easy it is. And let's use yellow now. Now here 6 from 9 is 3, this 5 from 9 is 4, and 2 from 9 is 7, and this 3 from 10 is also 7, and that's our answer. 10,000 minus 6,523 is equal to 3,477. And here 7 from 9 is 2 and this 6 from 10 is 4. Here I need to tell you that sometimes there is 0 at the end of the number that is being subtracted. So what we do is we just apply the formula to the number other than 0, and in the end we can put 0. So 4 from 9 is 5 and this 7 from 10 is 3, and then we put 0. So 1000 minus 470 is 530. Now this is how you apply the formula from all from 9 and the last from 10. Now there are some variations. Here let me show you that we always had same number of digits in the number that is being subtracted as there are zeros here. So we have 3 zeros here, so 564 is 3-digit number. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and we have 4 digits here. 2 zeros here, 2 digits here, so no problem. We can just apply the formula and that's it, that's our answer. But sometimes here we have 3 zeros, but the digits are only 2. So what we do here is we just make the digits, a number of digits equal to number of zeros. So we have 3 zeros here. So instead of 43, we'll consider it as 043. So we have 3 digits now, like 3 zeros here. And now we can apply the formula. This 0 from 9 is 9. This 4 from 9 is 5. And this 3 from 10 is 7. And that's our answer. Now here we have 58, 2-digit number, but we have zeros 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of 58, we'll make it 0, 0, 5, 8. Now we have 4-digit number here. And we apply the formula. 0 from 9 is 9. Then again 0 from 9 is 9. Then this 5 from 9 is 4. And this 8 from 10 is 2. And that is our answer, 9942. Now sometimes we have, instead of 1 at the leftmost, instead of the base number, we have multiple of base number. Now 600 is multiple of 100. This 5000 is multiple of 1000. So we have, instead of base number 1000, we have 5000. And instead of 1000, we have 8000 here. So nothing to worry about. What we can do here is, we just decrease 1 from this 6 to make it 5, right? And then apply the formula to the number being subtracted. So 7 from 9 is 2 and the last 7 from 10 is 3 and that's our answer. Here also we have 5, so we'll make it 4 and then apply the formula to this 1, 2, 3. 1 from 9 is 8, 2 from 9 is 7 and 3 from 10 is also 7 and that's our answer. Now we had the same number of digits here, 1, 2, 3 as the number of zeros here, but here we have 1, 2, 3 same here, but this 4 we have to subtract from 8. What we can do is, because here we didn't have anything, so we just decrease 1 from 5, 1 from 6. Here we just subtract 8 minus 4 is 4. After the subtraction, we need to write 4 here, but we'll decrease 1 like we did before, nothing else. This is the only a little extra step here. So 8 minus 4 is 4. We can consider this as 3000, right, plus 5000, right? And then this minus 4, 2, 2, 2. Now we have, here we know that it's same as 4000 goes with 4000 and we actually have 1000 minus 2, 2, 2, right? We can apply this formula and we have 3000 already here, that will come here. But instead of going in this detail, just remember that 8 minus 4 is 4 and we just decrease 1 to make it 3. And then we apply the formula to this 222. That is 2 from 9 is 7, another 2 from 9 is 7 and last 2 from 10 is 8. And sometimes we have to combine this concept of adding zeros and this concept of one less or one more. We have to combine these two steps. So let's do that in these two questions. We have 6000 minus 32. So here we have three zeros. So we'll make it 3 digits. So 032. And now we decrease 1 from 6 to make it 5. And then apply the formula to 032. 0 from 9 is 9. 3 from 9 is 6. And 2 from 10 is 8. That's our answer. And here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll make it 0063 to make it 4 digit. Now we need to decrease 1 from this 3 to make it 2. And then apply the formula to this 0063. 0 from 9 is 9. Another 0 from 9 is 9. Then 6 from 9 is 3. And this 3, last 3 from 10 is 7. And that is our answer. Now here with base multiplication, actually we can, if we don't know times tables till 10 or 12, doesn't matter. We can, I will tell you this very good trick to avoid memorizing times tables. So 7 times 8, let's say we don't know, it's 56. 7 from 10 is, 7 is 3 less than 10. So we write minus 3 here. And 8 is how much less? It's 2. So let's write 2 here. Now it's up to you. You can cross subtract. This is the first step, that you see the deficiencies from the base number. So these are the numbers that are near base. Here you can see they are near base 10. These numbers from here to here are near 100, and this also. And this is near 1000. These two numbers are near 10,000. No, 100,000. And these two numbers are near 10,000. So whenever the number is both numbers that are being multiplied by each other, they both are near base number, we can use this method. So 7 is 3 far from 10. So I'll write minus 3, and 8 is 2 far from 10. So write minus 2. After that, it's up to you. You can do 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Sorry. Or you can do 8 minus 3. That is also 5. It's up to you which one you do. And this is first part of the answer. The second part is you just multiply the deficiencies. 3 times 2 is what? 6. So that's our answer, 56. 7 times 8 is 56. Now let's do 88 times 89. Here, 88 times 89. All right. 88 is 11 far from 12 far from 100, and 89 is 11 far from 100. So let me show you where we have carry in the end. So let's make this, instead of 88, let's make it 89. Let's make it 98. Okay. So we have, because in the end we have this where we have to carry, so don't worry about that. It will come 88 and 98. So this 88 is 12 far from 100, and this 98 is 2 far from 100. So the first step I told you is we cross subtract. 88 minus 2 is 86. That's first part of the answer. Or you can do 98 minus 12 also. It will give you 86. But this one is easier. And the second part is 12 times 2. We multiply the deficiencies or the surplus. So 12 times 2 is 24. That's second part of the answer. And that is our final answer, 86. 88 times 98 is 8624. All right. Okay. Now 93 times 96, let's say. 93 is 7 far from 100 and 96 is 4 far from 100. And cross subtract, 93 minus 4 is 89. or 96 minus 7 is also 89. First part of the answer, and 7 times 4 is 28. Second part of the answer, and that is our answer. 8928. Okay. Now here sometimes we have to, because we are multiplying near base 100, and 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. So be careful here. Always we'll have 2 spaces in the second part of the answer. But here we have already 2 digits, so doesn't matter. And let's do this one. 98 times 97. This is, let me change the color. This is 2 far from 100 and this is 3 far from 100. When we multiply them, 98 minus 3 is 95. Or you can do this also. 97 minus 2 is also 95. This is first part of the answer. But the second part is 2 times 3, that is 6. But we have 2 spaces here. So we'll write 06 instead of only 6. So 9506 is our answer. And now we have 89 times 89. 89 times 89. 89 is 11 far from 100 and this is also 11 far from 100. So we cross subtract first. 89 minus 11 is 78. That's first part of the answer. And second part is 2 digits, but we have 11 times 11, that is 121. So we write 121 like this. This 1 will be carried over to the left to 78 to make it 88. So the answer will be 8821. So these are all the variations that we can get new ones here. Now these all numbers we did were a little below the base. We can do the numbers that are above the base also. So 103 times 104, exactly same concept we use. 103 is 3 above 100 and 104 is 4 above 100. So we, instead of cross subtract, we cross add. 103 plus 4 is 107, or 104 plus 3 is also 107. So that's first part of the answer, and the second part is 3 times 4, that is 12. That's our answer, 10712. And with a little practice we can do it, you can do it mentally also. Here sometimes we have to involve zeros, like I told you before. 102 times 103 will be, we have this surplus of 2 and plus 3 here. So the first step, we cross add. 102 plus 3 is 105. That's first part of the answer. Second part of the answer is 2 times 3, but we have, remember, 2 places here because 100 has 2 zeros. 2 times 3 is 6, but we'll write 06, and that is our answer, 10506. And the third one is same concept, 111 times 111, and here we have, this is 11 above 100, this is also 11 above 100. So the first part is we cross add. 111 plus 11 is 122, and then we multiply these two. 11 times 11 is 121. We write it like this because we have only 2 digits, and the final answer becomes 12321, and here we have 12321. Now it can be, the base can be 100 or 10 or any power of 10. So here let's do a little bigger numbers. This 568 times 998. Here we have 998 is 2 less than 1000. But how to quickly see how much less this is from 1000? Use our old friend formula, all from 9 and the last from 10. As I told you, we learned that. So this 5 from 9 is 4, right? 6 from 9 is 3 and 8 from the last 8 from 10 is 2. 432 is our answer. And the first step is we cross subtract. So the easier one is this one, 568 minus 2. It will become 566. That's first part of the answer. And then we multiply these two. 432 times 2 is, double of 4 is 8, double of 3 is 6 and double of 2 is 4. So this is our final answer. Now let's try this. 68777. Oh, 99997. Oh, let me bring this to, let's bring it here. Okay, so we can see that they both are near 100,000. So you apply the, how much is this from, how far is this number from the next base? We just apply the formula. 6 from 9 is 3, 8 from 9 is 1, 7 from 9 is 2, another 7 from 9 is 2 also, and the last 7 from 10 is 3. And here we can see that it is only 3 less than the next base. And now we cross subtract here, this minus this. So 68774, and then we multiply these two to get 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. And that is our final answer. We have multiplied so big numbers with ease here. This is 10,021 and 10,002 with big numbers above the base. Let's do that. So this is 21 above 10,000 and this is 2 above 10,000. And now cross subtract, cross add 1,000 and 10,021 plus 2 is 10,023. That's first part of the answer. And second part is we multiply these two. 21 times 2 is 42. But remember we are dealing with 10,000 base that has 4 zeros. So we have 4 spaces in the last, in the second part of the answer. So we write 0042 instead of only 42, and that is our final answer. Now here we subtract from left to right without borrowing, and we do that with the help of something called bar numbers. We just start subtracting. 7 minus 3 is 4 from left. We start subtracting from left. 1 minus 6 is negative 5 or bar 5, I'll say. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 minus 9 is bar 7 or negative 7. Now, if we look at this closely, this is 40 minus 5, right? When we write 45, this 4 is actually 40, right? And this 5 is only 5. We can write it 40 plus 5, right? But if I put bar here, meaning this is negative 5, can I say that this means 40 minus 5, right? Exactly same concept we are using here. So this 4 bar 5 means 40 minus 5, that is 35. So that is 35, and this is same as 30 minus 7, that is 23. And the answer to this question, 7152 minus 3629 is 3523. And it will be in these examples, it will be clear why we did this, and it's very easy. Okay. Start from left. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 6 is bar 3 and 3 minus 9 is bar 6. Now, this is same as 32,700 minus 36. But what we do here is we always split the numbers where it goes from positive to negative. Here else also actually if we split it here, it is 40 minus 5, or we just subtract 1 from 4 to make it 3 and apply the formula on the, but because it was single digit, I didn't show you that. It was easier that way. So here what we do is, from the left number we just decrease 1. 327 will become 326 and apply the formula on this 36. This 3 from 9 is 6 and this 6 from 10 is 4, and that is our answer, 32664. Whenever we split at the place where it goes from positive to negative number, right? Positive number to bar number, and on the bar number we apply our beautiful formula, all from 9 and the last from 10. Let's start from left. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 4 is bar 4. 4 minus 5 is bar 1. 6 minus 8 is bar 2. And 1 minus 3 is bar 2 also. And we can see that from positive to bar number it's here. So we decrease 1 from the left positive number, it will become 1. And then the bar numbers we apply the formula. So this 4 from 9 is 5, then 1 from 9 is 8, 2 from 9 is 7, and the last 2 from 10 is 8, and that is our answer, 15,878. And let's do this last one. Let's start from left. 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 5 is bar 2, 0 minus 9 is bar 9, and this is 8 minus 0 is 8, and 5 minus 7 is bar 2. Here we have bar numbers at two different places. So what we do is, we split it here because it's going from positive to bar numbers, and also here when it is going to from positive to bar numbers. Now here 4 will become 3, and then we apply the formula on this. 2 from 9 is 7, and this last 9 from 10 is 1. And then we have this 8 positive, it will become 7. And then we apply the formula to this 2 because it's the only digit, it is considered last digit. So 2 from 10 is 8, or we can just consider these as 80 minus 2, that is 78, that we can do also like we did here. If you found these tricks useful, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for weekly videos. And also, if you are at the point of frustration regarding your child's math education, then click the link below to see how can I help you. And thanks for watching, really appreciate that. Until next time, happy journey from math hell to math heaven.